This tutorial today I just want to show you how to display data or information to the browser using JavaScript. Okay, let's get started. Let's have a div with an ID of display, and then here we're gonna have script. So this ID we're gonna use this to display. We're gonna use it to display some information. Okay, so here let's declare a variable my name is equal to John Wale Maxwell. Okay, and then let's declare another variable that says my school is equal to, let's say, Skylis International Schools. Okay, so here we have two variables. So the first thing we're going to look at is the inner HTML. Okay, so inner HTML, we're going to target this. We're going to use this div to display any of this, or to display information we have. We're going to pass this to this so that we can display it in the browser. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to call the document object get element. We're going to get the element by ID, since we passed an ID here, and we're going to call this ID, which is display. So we call the inner HTML. Inner HTML is going to be equal to my school. Okay, let's pass my name first. Save this, go back to our browser. Oh, sorry, we have to copy the part of the HTML. Go to our browser, paste it right here, so you can see John Wale Maxwell, because we passed just the name. We can concatenate. We can say my name is, right? I can say my name is, we add a plus sign to concatenate the variable and the string. So you have here my name is John Wale Maxwell. Okay, so here also we can make this bold using JavaScript. So what we can simply do is to pass the bold tag, then we concatenate it right here. So here we have we're going to close the tag, the bold tag, come back to a browser, refresh. You can see this is in bold tag. Okay, so the next thing we are going to look at is the write function. Write. Okay, so for the write, we're going to call the document object document.write, and then we pass in the value of whatever we want to do for what we want to display inside this function. So let's copy this right here, come here. So in this case, we're going to say my school. All right, I'm going to say my school is my school right here. So we're going to remove this and put my school. Okay, so we save this, go back to our browser and refresh. So you see here my name is this, my school is this. Okay, so we can also add a break tag between this. Okay, we just go back to the first one here, and then we add the BR tag. Save it, come back to our browser, refresh. Why is it not working? Okay, let's leave this for now. So you can see here we have my school is this. Maybe we should add it right here. Okay, or this document dot. Okay, so you can see it. Okay, so the next one we're going to look at after the document dot write here. So we can see here Skylis International as the name of the school. So the next one we're going to look at is the alert. Okay, alert. So let's see how we can alert. So the alert does not really write to inside here, but it alerts something here, just an alert, just to alert you. So what we're going to do is we're going to say alert. We're going to alert my school name is. Okay, so we're going to concatenate the school, my school, and then we're going to concatenate and my name is. Okay, so we concatenate the my name. Okay, just for, so we save this, go back to our browser and refresh. So we see here my name is Kali. My name here, sorry, that's a mistake. Let's go back to see my school. Let's go right here and say my school. Okay, so let's come back here first, so we can see my school is Kali's International Schools and my name is John Well Maxwell. Okay, so the next one is going to be the developers tool. It does not necessarily attribute to here, but you know, it shows on the developers tool. So that is console.log function. So we can come here and say console.log, and we can say my the name. My name is, then we concatenate name, concatenate my name. Oh, that's wrong. Okay, so okay, let's just have this. Let's say my name is this. Go back to our browser, refresh. You cannot see anything. Let's comment the alert out because I don't want to keep alerting. Let's comment this out. So here, when you right click, you see nothing happens. So here you right click, go to inspect pages, then go to console, because we are logging this to the console. So you can see here console.log. So I want to log this information to the console, so we have to go to the console and check for it. So we go right here, you can see my name is John Maxwell. Okay, so let's go back here and we can log something else. My school, let's say my school name is my school. Okay, we'll go back to the console, refresh the browser, so you can see here my name is John Wally, my name is this, my school name is this. Okay, my school name is this, my name is this. All right, so these are the possible ways to attribute information to the browser. So the last one I want to show you is to print. If you want to print this page, this entire page, if you want to print it, so what you're simply going to do here, let's call the print function. All right, so we simply say print. Okay, simply say print, so that will run the print function, as you can see right here. Okay, you can see right here, it prints. You see it prints just this page, so we can decide to print it. All right guys, so this is how we can attribute data to the browser. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the notification bell so that you get more notified when we post more videos, and like and share our videos. Thank you.